Everyone, welcome back to my channel Anjali Infotainment, and I'm your Anjali. So today I am here with yet another reviews, which is a huge Myntra haul. Yes, so I am bought so many dresses from Myntra, and I'm gonna share all these dresses with you all which I have bought from Myntra, because Myntra was going through a very good discount, which is the end of recent sales. So I couldn't stop myself from buying the clothes from Myntra, because I'm a huge fan of Myntra as well. So I'm gonna show you all the dresses one by one. But before that, guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further notification. So not let's waste the time and get into my video. First product which I'm gonna share with you all is a top. Yes, this is a very beautiful top, guys. I mean, the fabric, the fitting, everything is top notch. Yes, so this is sleeveless. See this one, and very vibrant color, very flowery. The material is very soft. You won't feel that you're wearing anything, very lightweight. And this is from Master and Harvard, and the price is 1099, that is 1100, but I got in a huge discount because I bought this in the end of recent sales. So I will be putting, because I have forgotten all the prices because I have bought so many things at once, so I will be putting all the prices on the screen so that it will help you out. So this is the product. See, very nice. You can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with a denim jeans, hot pants, anything, because this is very vibrant. You can go for a holiday while wearing this. So I like the products too much, and my size is XL, so you can buy accordingly. So the second one, which is also a very cute top, guys. See this one, very cute, very flowery, very vibrant. And I love this top because this is having a pom-pom on each and every side, as you can see. And while wearing this, I feel like I'm a kid because it looks too cute, guys. It looks too cute. See, this is the length. So I will be sharing, and I think I have got it for only for rupees 300, and the price is over here is 1049 rupees. So but I have got it in a very lesser price, that is on at least 300 only. Yes, so बहुत cute है guys, ये आप ले सकते हैं. Third dress, which is my very favorite, which is this kurti. This is not a top, and this has a very beautiful color, guys. And this is also from Dressvery, and see, this is also from Dressvery, and the price is 1399, that is 1400, but I got it in discount, which is around, I think, 600. Yes, this is such a lovely kurti, guys, such a lovely, and the material is too soft. It's a drop, you can say it's a drop dead red color. Yet it's a very cute red color, and it will definitely enhance your beauty after wearing this. It will enhance your complexion as well. So you can wear it with a jeans, with a white jeans, guys. You can wear this with a white jeans. This outfit is too good. So this is also from Derry. I'm going to put all these prices on the screen, so it will help you while buying the products. So this is too cute, you can see. This is having a embroidery also, as you can see, very fine, very cute embroidery, and the fit is very decent, very nice. So the fourth product is a skirt. Yes, this skirt is from Berry Plus. Yes, this is from Berry Plus. This is also a very nice skirt, which is around for 1759, but this is also I have got in discount for rupees 600, around 600. Yes, so this skirt is too good. See, very flowery. The color is very enhancing. And yes guys, this is not a straight skirt. This is having a very flared, you know, इसका जो ये जो skirt है ये काफी flared है, and आप जब पहनेंगे इसे you will look like a Barbie doll. Yes, this very nice guys. ये आप ले सकते हैं, and इसे आप कोई भी टॉप के साथ पहनिए, बिकॉज ये काफी डार्क कलर है एंड वेरी प्रिटी कलर ब्लैक विच इज एवरग्रीन, एंड दिस हैज अ फ्लावरी प्रिंटेड all over the skirt. My size is 34. You can take it according your size. So this is very good if you go for a holiday in Goa or any other places you can. So guys, next product is very pretty top. Yes, it's a casual top. This is also from Dressberry. Yes, because as I have said, Dressberry is my most favorite brand, so I usually buy the things from Dressberry. So this is a very cute top. It will give you a very casual look. You can wear it for hang around with a, you know, with jeans. आप jeans के साथ इसे डाल सकते हैं, and hot pants के साथ आप पहन सकते हैं. ये आपको काफी casual look देगा. So this yet another, it's a very good product, and I'll give the price on the screen so you can check it out. So guys, the next product है वो है ये प्यारा सा jumpsuit. Yes, see. This is from Casually, and this is around 21.99, which is and I have got in a very lesser price because I have bought it in a end of season sales. So I have got it around for 700 rupees. Yes. So this is a very pretty jumpsuit which is having a zip at the back. As you can see, this is a zip, and the neck is very flaunty, and it gives you a very casual as well as the party look also. So I will show you the entire length, and this has a very nice combination of color. Yes, see, this is a very nice combination of color, and इसका जो print है guys, this is you can कह सकते हैं कि this is a animal print. Yes, and looks very hot and sexy as well. So अगर आप ये पहनते हैं और छोटा मोटा पार्टी में आप जा सकते हैं तो it will looks you very nice. And इसमें एक बेल्ट दी हुई होती है to tie around. So it's a very nice, and the quality guys, it's very nice. इसमें आपको ना ज़्यादा गर्मी लगेगी और आप काफ़ी comfortable भी feel करेंगे. So this is one of my favorite outfit guys. See, मैं आपको close करके दिखाती हूँ, and the brand is from Casually. The next dress is this one. See, yes, this is a maxi dress guys. This is from Tokyo Talkies, which is for around 2399, and I have got it in a very lesser price. I'm going to put the price on the screen. I think around for 800 or 900, around that only. And this is a very cute white flowery print maxi dress with, I'll show you guys the dress. See, this is a very long maxi dress with a very good flare. Yes, see, it's a very long. Yes, काफी लॉन्ग है गाइज एंड वेरी प्रिटी, एंड इसके साथ एक बेल्ट भी मिली है जो आप टाई कर सकते हैं. पीछे से टाई कर सकते हैं, आप आगे से भी टाई कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज अ रिमूवेबल वन. आप रिमूव कर दीजिए, और आप आगे से टाई करना चाहे बेल्ट को तो आगे से कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज आप पीछे से भी कर सकते हैं. सो दिस लुक्स टू गुड ऑन एवरीबडी, ऑन एवरी कॉम्प्लेक्शन एज वेल. ये सभी कॉम्प्लेक्शन पे अच्छा लगेगा. एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम टोक्यो टॉकीज ब्रांड. This is too good, and the color is awesome guys. Color is white with a flowery printed. The next product which I have bought from Myntra is this beautiful white denim jeans. Yes, let me open this. I'll show you. This is from the brand All About You. Yes, All About You, and the price is 1899, but I have got in a lesser price. I think around 700. Yes, 700. Don't you think this is a very less price? And this is a steal price actually. Yes, so this is a very stretchable jeans. So I will suggest guys, go for one size smaller than what you usually wear. I usually wear 32 or 34, both fit me well, but this time I, as like this is a stretchable jeans, तो मैंने 30 साइज ही लिया है, मैंने प्रेफर किया है, and it fitted me very nicely, and the cloth is very good, the fitting is very good, and this is all about you. As I'll show you. This is all about you. Yes, so very nice jeans guys. कलर बहुत ही प्यारा कलर वाइट है एकदम। जिन लोगों को वाइट जीन्स पहनना पसंद है तो आप पहन सकते हैं। कोई भी डार्क टॉप के साथ आप इसे वेयर करें, इट विल लुक टू गुड ऑन एवरीबडी। द लास्ट बट नॉट द least, I want to share you with you all. It's a beautiful shrug. Yes, I love the shrugs. And this is from the company Vera Moda. Yes, and this is for around 2499, and this one also I have got it in a very lesser price in end of reason sales, obviously. This is I have got for around I think 800, yeah, 850. I'll put the price on the description box as well as on the screen. So this is a very pretty and a long shrug. See, I'll show you. This is a very pretty and a long shrug with a beautiful hand. It will look too good on, you can wear it on the denim jeans, you can wear it on a half hot pants with a sleeveless, you can wear it on a sleeveless top as well. आप sleeveless top के साथ भी इसे wear कर सकते हैं, किसी भी outfit के साथ आप इसे wear कर सकते हैं। ये काफी लंबा है guys, काफी लंबा है, काफी लंबा है, काफी लंबा। ये काफी बहुत हॉट एंड इट लुक्स टू वेरी, the material is very soft guys, very soft, एंड आप इसे समर सीजन में भी पहन सकते हैं, एज वेल आप इसे विंटर सीजन में भी पहन सकते हैं, क्योंकि विंटर सीजन में भी ये आप अगर पहनते हैं तो आप काफी कोजी सा फील करेंगे गाइस, काफी कोजी सा, आपको काफी वार्म भी फील होगा इससे। एंड द क्वालिटी गाइस, क्वालिटी की तो बात ही नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज दिस इज मस्ट बाय श्रग। अगर आप लोग श्रग लेना चाहते हैं गाइस, एंड दिस इज आई थिंक डस्की पिंक कलर, वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। आई डोंट नो कि कैमरे में किस तरह से आ रहा है, बट दिस इज अ वेरी pretty color, very warm color. You can go and buy. मैं आपको स्क्रीन पे दे दूंगी इसका प्राइस, मैंने जितने में लिया है, एंड मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसकी लिंक भी शेयर कर दूंगी guys. So that's all guys. मैंने जो भी आइटम्स खरीदा था, परचेज किया था फ्रॉम मिंत्रा ड्यूरिंग द एंड ऑफ रीजन सेल्स, तो मैंने आप लोगों के सामने सारा कुछ शेयर किया है। एंड आप जाइए कमेंट में एंड मुझे बताइए कि आपको मेरी सारी ड्रेसेस में से कौन सा टॉप या कौन सा कुर्ती पसंद आया। सो मुझे उससे मोटिवेशन मिलेगी गाइज। एंड यस गाइज, अगर मेरा वीडियो आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो, अगर मेरा मेहनत आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो, तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। एंड प्लीज गाइज डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द बेल आइकन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशन। सो मैं इस वीडियो को यहीं एंड करती हूँ गाइज, फिर मैं दोबारा आऊँगी एक नए रिव्यूज़ के साथ, एक नए प्रोडक्ट के साथ। सो गाइज स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे फिट। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो।